Now I get it, bro. It's annoying to trade meme coins just to end up not being profitable for hours and hours. That's exactly why I am making this video. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in this space from doing the complete opposite, and that is deving. I create viral coins and I launch them and I make money by doing that without losing anything. Keep watching, let me show you exactly how it's done. By the way, bro, everything in this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it. Now the reason why most people are unprofitable in the trenches is because most of these coins are meant to make you lose. They just get launched and then after a couple minutes, bang, it goes to zero and everybody that bought the coin as traders, they get dumped on. And that's exactly why you have to be deving your coins instead. You have to be playing the complete opposite of the entire space. And yeah, bro, I am making this video. I will show you how to dev coins. It costs nothing, okay? All we're doing is creating coins for completely free using viral narratives. We pump them up by waiting for people to buy in, and then when the volume is high, we cash out, and we do that over and over again. It's a repeatable method, bro. It will never be saturated because most people are traders and no one are devs. So let me show you exactly how it's done. Now look, most devs in this space, okay, are launching on Pump.Fun. Now yes, bro, it is the most popular platform, I understand. People are printing thousands a day on Pump.Fun, but it's also super saturated. There's like hundreds of coins launching every single second or maybe minute on Pump.Fun, and most of these coins, they get no traction, no one buy them, okay, and that's the raw reality, and you will not, advance. You will just be stuck in launching coins and you don't even control your own liquidity. So what's the point, right? Instead, you have to be launching your coins in the migrate section. Once a coin goes to Raydium, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of people buy your coin, and a bunch of people are going to start tracking your coin as a dev. So like that, once you start launching more and more coins in the future, well, that coin is going to get more momentum every single time you launch. And that's exactly why you have to be launching in Raydium. When a coin migrates, bro, look at this. It explodes. Now, to launch a coin on Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun because of all the restrictions and also because, it will have to reach a $40,000 market cap for it to level up the Raydium. Instead, use create meme.io. It's the, create meme.io. It's the best deving site out there, the safest and the fastest, and that's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. It goes to Raydium immediately once you launch here. Now, you could either create a coin from scratch, you can copy a coin, or you can, let me just connect my Phantom wallet. You can turn tweets into coins within seconds. For example, if Trump tweeted, well, you could turn that directly into a coin and bang, you are the first one to dev that coin. But I personally love the vamping method in the copy trending coins tab because I hate going out and looking for narratives. I love to just copy coins that are already working, but we launch them back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers and a bunch of attention. That's why it's so insane. But obviously, bro, let's make some money from deving, bro. That's the whole point of this video, to show you how it's done, not just a yap. Now, connect your Phantom wallet, right? Click on refresh and copy a coin. Just go for something, right? Or if you want to create a coin from scratch, it's up to you. I will leave that to you. I'm going to create the X-Mon coin. I chose it, just from randomness. Now, obviously, click on copy the Raydium, and then ignore the warning. It's normal from random, right? It's normal, it's safe. Just ignore it. Click on proceed, confirm. I understand right here, confirm, and then the coin will be created in a couple seconds, okay? It should load. And bang, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now guys, here is where we create our liquidity pool. It's really easy. I'm sure most of you guys know what the liquidity pool is. It's where you set up the liquidity for your coin basically. Now click on 90%. I do that for all my coins. Under right here for the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 to 1 SOL. Anywhere around there is good. Okay, some devs dev with like 10 SOL, but that's doing too much. You don't need to, right? Now if you want this back at any moment, you can. It's not a loss, okay? It's not some kind of fee. Nope. Click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up, and then just ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the X month coin is live. Your P&L is going to show up right there. And if you want to see how much you're up at any moment, just click on refresh again. And as you guys can see, we're already up $200. That is a great sign. That means our coin is doing well. Potentially, it could go down, but it's doing well. That means our copy was good because that's why we copy coins to get buyers. Anyways, go on your trading platform of choice. I still use Photon, but don't worry about it. And bang, the coin is live. It should be pumping. Yes, sir, it's pumping. This is the power of Raydium with create meme.io. It costed us nothing to create this coin, and that's the beauty of deving, bro. Most people are sleeping on creating coins. Like, look at this. I'm pretty sure most of your favorite creators, like Orangey, all these people are saying that deving coins is easier to make money than trading. And that is the truth. I think it's real. Like, look at this. Like, it's actually insane. I'm gonna let this coin ride for a bit. When I come back, I will cash out. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see how much we make from this coin, bro. I'm actually excited. Come back to create meme.io. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, damn, we're almost up $3,000 on this coin. That's insane for some people, right? Because the coin is pumping. Click on the minus button, do 100%, right? 100%, remove liquidity. And then once again, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin. And look, if I open my Phantom wallet, bang, $2,800 straight inside my Phantom wallet, just like that, bro. And yes, it is repeatable. It's all for educational purposes only. Create meme.io will be linked down below, bro. You have to be consistent. Launch 5, 10, 20 coins if you have to make that first 10K, bro. It's all about being consistent on your devs. And yeah, bro, peace out.